Finding the right hair blow dryer brush can change your hair game entirely. Whether you're looking to add volume, achieve a sleek look, or save time, these products are designed to help you style your hair with ease. Today, we're reviewing the top 5 hair blower brushes that promise to deliver professional results at home. So, let's dive in and find the best one for your hair needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. Kicking off our list at number 1, Revlon One-Step. The Revlon One-Step hair dryer and volumizer has become a household name for those looking to combine the power of a blow dryer with the volume and style of a round brush. This versatile tool is designed to give you smooth, shiny hair with added volume, all in one step. It's the perfect solution for anyone who wants to save time while achieving a salon-quality blowout at home. Key features. The Revlon One-Step features a unique oval brush design, which helps to create smooth hair while also adding volume. Its ceramic coating helps to evenly distribute heat, preventing damage, while the ionic technology reduces frizz and boosts shine. The brush also comes with 2 heat and speed settings, allowing you to customize your styling experience. The lightweight design ensures that your arm won't tire out mid-styling, and the 360-degree swivel cord adds convenience. Benefits and usage. This hair blower brush is ideal for adding volume and smoothing hair in a single step. The combination of high heat and airflow makes it perfect for quickly drying and styling your hair without the need for multiple tools. To use, simply section your hair and slowly work the brush through damp hair from root to tip, adjusting the heat and speed settings as needed. It's a great tool for those who want to achieve a voluminous, frizz-free look in less time. Usability. The Revlon One-Step is designed for easy use, even for beginners. Its lightweight build ensures that you won't strain your arm while styling, and the wide, oval shape of the brush allows for more coverage in less time. The 2 speed and heat settings make it easy to adjust the intensity of your blowout, and the ionic technology works to give your hair a smooth, shiny finish. This tool is a game changer for anyone who struggles with styling their hair or has limited time. Durability. The Revlon One-Step hair dryer and volumizer is built to last, and many users report getting several years of consistent performance out of this product. The design is sturdy, and with proper care, it should continue to deliver smooth, voluminous results. The brush's ionic technology also prevents hair damage, ensuring that your hair remains healthy despite frequent use. As with any hair tool, it's important to clean it regularly and avoid any mishaps to extend its lifespan. In the second spot, we have Conair InfinitiPro. The Conair InfinitiPro 2-in-1 hot air brush is another top contender in the world of hair blower brushes. This product combines the power of a blow dryer with the styling benefits of a round brush to help you create sleek, voluminous hair. With multiple attachments and a focus on customization, this tool is ideal for those who want to create different styles with ease. Key features. The Conair InfinitiPro features tourmaline and ceramic technology, which helps reduce frizz and add shine to the hair. It comes with 2 interchangeable brush heads, one for smoothing and one for volume, allowing you to achieve different looks based on your hair type and preference. The high-velocity airflow helps dry the hair quickly, and the brush has multiple heat and speed settings for customized styling. Its 5-foot swivel cord adds flexibility during use. Benefits and usage. This hot air brush helps to dry and style your hair simultaneously, saving you time while achieving professional results. The tourmaline and ceramic coating works to protect your hair from heat damage while giving it a smooth, shiny finish. The 2 interchangeable brush heads are great for targeting specific hair textures and styling goals, whether you're after sleek straight hair or more volume and body. Use it by sectioning your hair and gently gliding the brush through, adjusting settings as needed. Usability. The Conair InfinitiPro is user-friendly and effective for a wide range of hair types. Whether you have fine or thick hair, this tool offers the flexibility to create a variety of looks. The brush is lightweight and comfortable to handle, and the swivel cord ensures you can easily move around your head while styling. It's especially great for creating smooth, sleek looks or adding volume with minimal effort, making it perfect for busy mornings or quick styling sessions. Durability. The Conair InfinitiPro is known for its durability, with many users praising its long-lasting performance. The ceramic and tourmaline materials help prevent damage, and with regular care, the tool can maintain its effectiveness over time. The brush heads are designed to withstand frequent use, and the motor is powerful enough to provide consistent results without wearing out quickly. As always, keeping the tool clean and properly maintained will help extend its lifespan. Coming in at number 3 is the Drybar Double Shot. The Drybar Double Shot Blow Dryer Brush is a professional-grade tool designed to give you a salon-quality blowout at home. Its unique oval shape allows for volume at the roots and smoothness at the ends, creating the perfect balance of body and shine. Drybar is known for its high-quality styling tools, and this one is no exception, offering a luxe experience every time you use it. Key features: the Drybar Double Shot Blow Dryer Brush features a unique oval shape with a combination of nylon and tufted bristles. This design allows for optimal styling, creating volume at the roots and smoothness throughout the length of the hair. The brush uses ionic technology to reduce frizz, while the ceramic coating ensures even heat distribution. The tool has 2 heat and speed settings, as well as a cool shot button to lock in your style. Benefits and usage: the Drybar Double Shot helps you achieve a smooth, voluminous blowout with ease. The brush works to smooth out your hair while adding volume at the roots, giving you a polished, salon-quality finish. The ionic technology reduces frizz, making it an ideal choice for anyone who struggles with flyaways or frizzy hair. To use, section your damp hair, then glide the brush through each section from root to tip. Adjust the heat settings based on your hair type for the best results. Usability: the Drybar Double Shot Blow Dryer Brush is easy to use and handle. Its lightweight design ensures that you won't tire out your arm while styling, and the swivel cord adds flexibility during use. The brush is gentle on the hair and works well for all hair types, from fine to thick. The 2 heat and speed settings give you plenty of control over your styling, while the cool shot button helps set your style for long-lasting results. Durability: Drybar tools are known for their durability, and the Double Shot Blow Dryer Brush is no different. With proper care, this tool can last for years, delivering consistent and professional results. The high-quality materials used in the brush ensure that it can handle regular use without showing signs of wear. As always, keeping it clean and avoiding rough handling will help maintain its longevity. Taking our 4th spot is Infiniti Pro by Conair. The Infiniti Pro by Conair 1-inch hot air brush is a compact, versatile tool designed to help you create smooth, voluminous styles without the need for multiple tools. Its 1-inch barrel size is perfect for creating a variety of styles, from sleek and straight to voluminous and bouncy curls. This hot air brush is designed to quickly dry and style your hair, offering salon-quality results at home. Key features: the Infiniti Pro by Conair features ceramic technology that helps evenly distribute heat, preventing damage while providing a smooth finish. It has 2 heat and speed settings, allowing you to adjust the intensity based on your hair type and desired style. The 1-inch barrel is ideal for creating defined curls or waves, and the brush has ionic technology to reduce frizz and enhance shine. Its lightweight design and 5-foot swivel cord make it easy to maneuver while styling. Benefits and usage: this hot air brush is perfect for creating sleek, bouncy styles or adding volume to your hair. The ceramic technology helps prevent heat damage, while the ionic function reduces frizz, leaving your hair looking shiny and smooth. To use, simply section your damp hair, then work the brush through each section, gliding it from root to tip. The 1-inch barrel is ideal for those who want to add soft waves or curls without the need for additional tools. Usability: the Infiniti Pro by Conair 1-inch hot air brush is incredibly easy to use. The lightweight design ensures that it's comfortable to hold, even during extended styling sessions. Its swivel cord adds flexibility, and the 2 heat and speed settings allow for customization. Whether you're looking to add volume or create defined waves, this tool works effectively for a variety of styles. Durability: this hot air brush is built to last, with many users reporting long-term use without any performance issues. The ceramic and ionic technologies ensure that your hair stays healthy and shiny, even with frequent styling. With proper care, The Infiniti Pro by Conair should provide consistent results for years, making it a great investment for anyone who loves to style their hair regularly. And finally, at number 5, we have Hot Tools Professional. The Hot Tools Professional 24K Gold One-Step Blowout is a luxurious tool designed to give you smooth, shiny, and voluminous hair in less time. Known for its 24K gold barrel, this blowout brush promises to deliver even heat distribution and long-lasting results, making it perfect for anyone looking for a professional quality blowout at home. Key features: the Hot Tools 24K Gold One-Step Blowout features a 24K gold barrel that ensures even heat distribution and reduces styling time. The ionic technology helps reduce frizz and enhance shine, while the brush's design allows for effortless styling with minimal heat damage. The tool has multiple heat and speed settings, and the ergonomic handle ensures comfort while styling. Benefits and usage: this blowout brush helps to create smooth, voluminous hair with a polished, salon-quality finish. The gold barrel ensures that the heat is evenly distributed, preventing damage and ensuring that your hair is styled quickly and effectively. To use, section your damp hair and glide the brush from root to tip, adjusting the heat settings based on your hair type for the best results. Usability: the Hot Tools 24K Gold One-Step Blowout is easy to use and handle, with an ergonomic design that ensures comfort during styling. The multiple heat and speed settings allow for customization, and the 24K gold barrel helps to reduce the amount of time spent styling. The brush is suitable for all hair types, making it a versatile tool for anyone looking to achieve a professional blowout at home. Durability: Hot Tools is known for its high-quality products, and the 24K Gold One-Step Blowout is built to last. The gold barrel is durable, and with proper care, this tool can provide years of consistent results. The ionic technology helps keep your hair looking healthy, and the product is designed to handle regular use without showing signs of wear. And that's a wrap on our review of the top 5 best hair blower brushes. Each of these tools brings something unique to the table, whether it's for adding volume, sleekness, or a professional blowout finish. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect one for your hair needs. If you've tried any of these products, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.